thanks for the coffee. All you amazing members supporting my channel. Your support means the world to me. I want you to know that. And together, we are turning passion into knowledge and lighting into arts. Okay, back to reality. Today we're shooting a bottle of Yes. I went to my local supermercado in search of something you can find in pretty much every household around the world. Some of you might know this dish so by another name, probably like fairy or dawn. On my way to the studio, I saw advertising campaign featuring the classic hero shot style, taken from below with the product balanced on the edge. It's apparently still popular, so we'll be going for the same approach. First, he stand up and I added a baby plate. That was a bad idea. I picked a smaller prop, an IKEA lack shelf, so we can put the product up there. Did I say thanks for the coffee? Today I'm using my old trusty Hasselblad camera with the 80mm lens paired with a tilt shift adapter to skip the focus stacking process in post, This will keep the entire front, the label of the bottle sharp. Pretty nice, right? as always, I will see you next
time.